Okay, so today we are going to see how to analyze the market on the weekends to look uh, whatever pair you want to watch for the upcoming week. Okay, right. So let me first show you. These are all the pairs that I will be breaking down. Okay, let's start from this first. So just a minute. Okay, yeah. So first we will see, okay, let me show you what kind of indicator I use. I use 50 EMA. You can see the settings here. And I use no gap scanner. Okay. Oh, nothing fancy, just two indicators. Okay. Hmm. So first of all, in weekly, we are going to check what is the trend in weekly. So, okay. Okay. This was in a trend. No, whatever here. Okay, break above, break down, break above. As soon as we break this low and this low as well, we are in downtrend right now, right? We are in downtrend, okay? So for weekly, we are in downtrend. Let me show you why. Let me, let me take this out for a little bit. Yeah. So this is our structure, right? This is our structure. So if I assume that these three are equal highs, so yeah. So this is my higher high and this is my higher low for this moment, right? As soon as we broke below this, as soon as we broke below this, we are in downtrend right now, right? So this is our lower low, and this is right now our lower high. If if we sorry, this is our lower high, right? This thing. So if we are breaking above this, we are in bull trend again, and as it continues to get down, we are already in downtrend, right? Okay. So we are in downtrend in weekly. So let me first mark for area of interest. So let me show you how to mark area of interest on weekly here. Okay, we are right now somewhere around here. Okay. We'll draw a zone somewhere like this. But yeah, if I want to show you something, then this was our lower high, and this is my lower low, right? This is our lower high, and this is our lower low, right? Okay, so whatever the area of interest we are going to find for sell side is inside this box. So let's check. Actually, I've got something here, this zone, somewhere around this zone. Okay, I will just turn off the magnet for a minute. Just a minute. Turn off the magnet first. Okay, and let's check if I'm getting it from the left side. We don't have much more touches. Okay, we have one, two, and kind of a third touch here around this. So this look good. Uh, touch and down, touch and up, touch and up, touch and up, and somewhere on this we can see a little bit of a consolidation right now we are seeing here. But yeah, okay, let me go to daily first. Then okay, so then we are going to look for daily's trend. Okay, so let me start from here. We are in downtrend, downtrend, down. We are still in downtrend, right? We are still in downtrend. The moment we break above this low high, we are in uptrend. Okay, so right now uptrend, a new high, still uptrend. This is just a structure, a new high. We are still uptrend. This is our lower high. Now it is our higher high, and this is our lower high, right? So as soon as we broke below this, we are in downtrend now. Okay, so in daily, we can see that we are in downtrend. Okay, so I will just check for this zone that we have drawn on weekly. Is it okay, or we just need to make some changes in it? It's fine. It's fine. Okay. We can see we have got our EMA as well. Let me check on weekly as well. So we have got a big rejection candle, but still, yeah. Okay, the EMA is above, and we are in downtrend daily. So for this zone, this is the zone of weekly as well and daily as well. As you can see, first, second, third, and right now we are having the fourth touch here on weekly, on daily. First touch, second, third, fourth, and the no, the magic of area of interest is it is something that the area where price gets drastically changed in its movement, right? So down, up, 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 and we have got some consolidation as we said here. But yeah, I'm looking for a sell side trade because we are bearish in weekly, bearish in daily, and let me check for the 4 hour as well. And I'm gonna tell you about the entry signals as well. What do I look for entry signals? Okay, right. So okay, yeah. So if I see something here, we have a head and shoulder. We got its move right. Price was not able to go high. We kind of had some kind of liquidity here, but I don't consider it as a liquidity right now. Getting down, I'm looking for a structure like this, then I will go for a sell. Okay, in daily, I can say on Monday, Tuesday, around Monday or Tuesday, I will get an entry to sell from this zone. The target on daily will be this, around this. Okay, so we'll be looking for sells in daily. After this kind of structure, we are looking for the our first TP somewhere around this, and the second TP will be this. Okay, so that's the plan. Let's see. Okay, let's go to 4 hour. Right. So, yep, this looks beautiful on 4 hour. We have got a head and shoulder. It's no, and then we are getting down. Okay. So if on Monday we are not breaking above this, we are not breaking above this zone. This is a pretty much good zone on 4 hour, right? We got more touches. So if on Monday we are not getting some kind of break above this, or we are getting multiple rejections from this, I will look for a little bit of structure creation here. If the structure is breaking, then I will look to sell from this zone, somewhere around this zone. And the SL will be above whatever the structure we have made. And as I said, we'll look for the target somewhere around this 122, 123, or maybe the second TP. We'll go for the second TP. Okay. Okay, so that's the plan on 4 hour as well. So right now we are bearish in all three major time frames, weekly, daily, and 4 hour as well. Okay, so I want to see some kind of structure here. Just the price should not break above this, which shows the domination of the sellers. And before that, if we have created a low, I mean up a low, price getting up here, get rejected, something like this. And as soon as we broke this, I want to see somewhere around like a double top or a head and shoulder somewhere around this on the lower time frame, which is the great confluence towards the sell side. Okay. Okay. So let me go to 1 hour. Right. Okay. So we are currently bullish in 1 hour. Okay. Let me show you why. Some of you may don't understand this, but yeah. Okay. Going down. This was our low, right? This was our lower high. We created another low. So right now this is our lower low and this is our lower high, right? As soon as we broke above this structure with a double bottom, we have created a new high. We are going above. So we are currently bullish in 1 hour. So the entry signal will be somewhat like this. If it happens like this, head and shoulders, something like this, and a shift of structure like market will get from uptrend to downtrend on 1 hour. That's what I'm waiting for. Okay. As soon as this happens, and there's one thing more is I want a bearish engulfing candle, the candle which completely eats previous candle towards the downside, right? So I want something like that to enter the market. Okay, to enter the cells. Yeah, let's see. So that's the plan. We are bearish in weekly, daily, 4 hour, as we know. Uh, I want a shift of structure of 1 hour, some kind of structure created around 4 hour, and it should be broken. And I don't want to take trade if this market breaks above and something happens like this. I will completely avoid it. I will completely avoid it. Okay. So yeah, let's watch on Monday and Tuesday. Okay. Okay. So this is how I usually uh, choose my pairs on weekends to look forward. But this is the plan to sell from this zone, somewhere around this zone. Okay. Right. So yeah, check the EMA. We are below daily and 4 hour as well. Okay, so yeah, let's check for previous market structure. Okay, so right now the 4 hour is somewhere around previous structure. This is around previous structure, right? To go down, like we call this as a previous structure. This structure is a previous structure. Okay, so we are around that zone as well. So let me show you why. I mean, this is if this is the structure, this is the structure, then this zone is what we call a previous structure because because this structure right here, this is the previous structure point that we call. So uh, it adds some more extra confluence towards our trade side. Okay, right. So let's go to next pair. It's Euro and ZT. Okay, right. So let me go to weekly first. Let me remove this as well. Okay. So on weekly, we are completely bullish, as we know. Yep, we are completely bullish. I'm not going to draw any things on charts right now. We are completely bullish on weekly. Let me go to daily. Yep, something is happening on daily. Okay. Okay, let's check it out here. We were bullish. We were bullish. We were bullish. This is our higher high. This is our higher high. This is our high low. As soon as we broke below this, we are in downtrend now. So in weekly, we are in uptrend. In daily, we are in downtrend, right? Okay. So is there any area of interest to mark right now? You can check if there is. Yep. But l- I have to check it for first. But yeah, I will mark it for just right now. All right. So let me go to 4 hour. Done. Okay. So I'm not interested about this CMA. So I will not consider as this zone as an area of interest right now. I will just delete it. Let me go to daily again. Okay. We got multiple rejections from this zone as well. Okay. Let me go to 4 hour. All right. Okay. So in daily and on 4 hour, we are bearish as we know. This will be our area of interest right now, somewhere around this. And yep, this is a double top as well. So I will look for something like this to happen, came down, and to create some kind of structure, break it, we will get a head and shoulder. And on 1 hour as well, we will get a shift of structure somewhere on this, and we will take a sell towards this zone. So this is the plan on Euro NZT. Let me check on 1 hour as well. Yep. So right now we are bullish in 1 hour. So that's the plan. If something like this happens, then I'm interested to sell off from this zone. But yep, this is not this doesn't look that much good, right? From pure structure. Okay, so let's go to next. Okay, CAT JPY. on weekly. The triple die GPI pairs, I'm literally confused between them because somewhat, for some reason, they all acts like if triple dash JPY pair is in downtrend, then all other JPY pairs can be have the same trend. So yeah, so that's why I mostly avoid these pairs. But let's check it out. We are currently bearish on weekly. Okay, on daily I must check the zone. Okay, we are currently bullish. Or maybe not. Okay, from here, from here, a new high. We have not broken below this, right? So yeah, we are currently bullish on daily time frame. And yeah, multiple we have got multiple reactions from this zone as you can see. Okay, so I just want to check if the zone is from weekly or from daily. Okay, it's from weekly, but yeah, don't mind. On 4 hour. Okay, on 4 hour, we are currently bearish. So okay, yeah. So I'm not interested in this pair. So this is completely sideways market. So I'm interested in this pair if it breaks either below this to take a downside trade on the basis of daily downtrend, weekly downtrend, and a 4 hour downtrend. And if it doesn't happens, then I will look for a buy above this zone, somewhere around this, and then we'll look for some buys around this zone. So not interested in this pair. I'll avoid it. Okay. Next is GBP CHF. Okay, okay, let me show you this. How to avoid this. Yeah. So this was the plan in last year, around 23rd, 24th December. Okay. So this was our plan. That didn't happen. So that's how we avoid the loss. We have created a, yeah, we were in downtrend. I was assuming that it could react from this zone like it previously did, but it didn't. Came down, and I still was not interested in this trade because I wanted it to break below this structure to go for sell, but it didn't happen, and we avoided a loss. Right? Okay, I'm not completely interested in this right now as well. Let's check it out first. Mm, okay, we are in sideways, but yeah, sideways is also a trend. So let's check. We are in downtrend on weekly, right? Okay, check it out. We are in downtrend in daily as well. I'm talking about the outer structure, not talking about the inner structure. So let me check this first. What is happening on the 4 hour? Okay, good, 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 good. Done. So we are bullish on 4 hour, right? But I'm not interested in this, and I'm not talking about JPY pairs as well. Let's check for USD CAD. Let's go to weekly. Okay, we are bullish on weekly. We have missed this trade, because of the holidays. I was not trading these weekends. I was really interested to take buy. And if you remember, Alex was also really interested to take buy from this. But yeah, we have missed this trade, so I'm not looking for it right now. Okay, let's go to GBP CAD. Okay, so on weekly, okay, weekly we are bullish. Yep, we are bullish on weekly time frame. Sorry. So we are currently bearish on daily time frame. And we see we have a beautiful head and shoulder structure created here. And the market is right now somewhere around the neckline of this head and shoulder, big bold head and shoulder. Definitely a good sign to sell off from this zone. I just wanted to get up to that. Okay, so we are looking at it right now. So about this zone, I marked one touch, second touch, third touch, fourth, fifth, a good touch, right? A great area of interest. And I was talking about this. If this is the head and shoulder, then that's the reach of the head and shoulder. That's it. There's not more thinking about this head and shoulder. This head and shoulders move already happened, right? So yeah, I'm not looking at that. So that's why I'm trying to go with the trend. Okay, the trend is bearish on daily. Let's check for 4 hour. Okay, we have got our EMA just right there. Multiple rejections. Right now we are below that zone. We can assume that it get rejected from that zone as well and to go down. Okay, so I'm waiting for somewhere around this, waiting for entry somewhere around this. And what I want to see, I will tell you definitely. So what I want to see here is on 1 hour or a 30 minute or 15 minute. If this structure, if this market goes up right here, comes down, and if it's breaking the low, any kind of low, then I'm really interested to take this sell side trade, just like this. But yeah, what I want to see is area of sorry shift of structure around this area of interest, which is a little bit psychological zone as well, which is 1.80, right? So this is a psychological level as well, and we have got our 4 hour EMA there as well. Okay, so it's marking our favorite pair this, and the first one is UR. The UNCT, I'm looking for downside trade as well. So these are the three pairs I'm looking for right now. UR for sell side trade, GBP CAD for a sell side trade, EURNZD for a sell side trade. Okay, so this is a great confluence, right? All that for the two pairs that I have taken is UR CAD, triple dash CAD, and then GBP CAD, which is triple dash CAD, and I'm looking for sells in both of these trades. So this may happen, and I'm looking for EURNZD for sales as well. So it is EUR triple dash, and the first one was EUR triple dash. So look for more confluences to be with your trade, right? Okay, so I'm not taking much more this, but yeah. So yeah, I wanted to tell this that I'm going to take a challenge of in 2025. I want to achieve this 100K in total funding, 100K USD in total funding. So if you look on the 1% of 100K is literally retire you from 9 to 5, like in India right now. So yeah, that's why I'm looking for 100K journey. I'm making it from 5K accounts from start. So after passing some 5K accounts, I will go for 10K and 25K, not more than that. Yeah. So yeah, that's it, guys.